In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the invoice number in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're looking to adjust the invoice number for a single invoice or set up an entirely new numbering sequence for all future invoices, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. With these easy-to-follow instructions, you can ensure that your invoices are organized and tailored to fit your specific needs. Let's start by covering how to change the invoice number on a per-invoice basis during the creation process. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Invoices module. You can find this by looking over on the left sidebar of your Zoho Invoice account. Once you're there, you'll see several options, but for now, our focus is on creating a new invoice. So, go ahead and click on the plus New button to initiate a new invoice. As you're setting up your invoice, pay attention to the section labeled Invoice La. This is where you can make changes to the invoice number. If you're looking to customize it, you'll notice a small gear icon right next to the Invoice field. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Doing so will prompt a pop-up to appear on your screen. This pop-up is where you can make all the necessary adjustments to personalize the invoice number. Here, you have the option to edit the prefix. Let's say, for instance, your existing setup is INV23. You might want to update it to reflect the new year, such as changing it to INV24. Adjusting the prefix is particularly useful for keeping track of different fiscal years or various projects. Once you've made your desired changes to the prefix, don't forget to click Save. Hitting Save ensures that these changes are not only applied to the current invoice, but also set as the default for any subsequent invoices you create during that particular session. Having this continuity is extremely helpful in maintaining consistency across your documentation. If you're regularly changing the numbering format, remember that this customized setup will revert back once your session ends. So, it might be a good idea to consider setting up a more permanent numbering sequence if your changes are frequent. Remember that being diligent with your invoice numbering can streamline your record keeping and help avoid any confusion down the line. And there you have it. Those simple steps will allow you to modify invoice numbers directly in Zoho Invoice with ease. Please make sure to follow these instructions carefully, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for customizing your invoice numbers effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy invoicing!